Hello everyone. Today we'll solve the question add to make positive. This question is part of Codechef started 217 and this is the second question in div 4. Let's see what this question is saying. This question is saying that you are given an array of size n. That array is called good if sum of all its element is non-negative. If sum of all the elements is greater than or equal to 0, it means it is good array. Now we have to find minimum number of integer x such that which we add to each element so that array becomes good. Now let's understand this with example. Let's say array is -1, -2, -3. What is total sum of this array? -6. So as this sum is less than 0, it is negative sum. So this array is not good array. Now to make it good, what you need to add to each element? So first you need to find what you need to add to total sum to make it good. Hence now sum is 6. To make it non-negative, we need to add at least 6 in the total sum. Now if total sum you have to add is equal to total sum which we need to add is equal to 6 and number of element is 3. Now what we need to add in each element? You have to divide sum 6 into 3 parts. So let's say I will add 2 to every element. So what new array will become? New array will become 1, 0 and -1. Now its sum is 0 which is equal to 0. So it is a good array. Now let's see how to solve this. I'll take two more examples to understand it better. Example 1. Let's say array is equal to 1, -5, -3. What is total sum? Total sum is -7. Now what we need to add to the sum to make it non-negative? We need to add at least 7, to make it non-negative. Now I need to divide 7 into 3 elements. You have to divide 7 into 3 elements. If I add 1, 1, 1, it will not be 7. If I add 2, 2, 2, it will not be 7. It is only 6. So if I add 3, 3, 3, it will get 9, which is at more than 7. So we need to add 9. Now how I will get 9? Let's say we are adding 3, 3 to each element. So if I divide 7 by 3, I will get 2. But is 7 completely divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible. So we will add 1 to my answer and it will become 3, which is my x. Let's see another example. Array is equal to 1, 2, -1. What is its sum? Its sum is 2, which is greater than 0. So it is already good. So we don't need to add anything to this array. Let's see how to solve this. To solve this, I'll write one code. First, read array, then find sum of the array. Now we need to find how much we need to add to total sum. So we'll find int, let's say difference is equal to 0 minus sum, which will give us what is the number which we need to add. Now to divide this, we'll check if sum is less than 0, then only we need to add. In that case, we'll find answer is equal to difference by n. Difference is the total sum we need to add and n is the number of element. So you are dividing the total sum into n parts. Now again you will check if different is completely divisible by n or not. If it is not divisible by 0, what we will do? We will increase answer by 1. What if sum was already 0 or more than 0? We will simply print else print 0. Here you will print the answer. That's it. Thank you.